ko ang bangko, and I can assure you that. So if you want more information, call me. It's right there. 0908-8857-2088 or www.effortlessinvestment.com. So kung bakit saan ko nilalagay ang pera ko, nasa trees. So yung 5 trees mo, times 1,000, times 12.25. Yun ang value ng trees mo ngayon.
I'm now 50 years old. After 70 years old, mayroon akong pera mula sa Africa dahil doon sa kahoy. Kaya ko na kayang gamitin yun?
Okay, darling. This certificate is for you. Alright, it's under Alex Datu. So that doesn't mean that if the certificate is under your name, you can always give it to your daughter. Di ba? Meron kang adopted daughter? Okay, because the final beneficiary of this is gonna be the owner of the bank where I'm going to forward the money.
Paano kung mamatay yung puno?
Darling, nobody can ever kill your puno kasi kami mismo aalagaan namin. Better Globe at saka Kenya Forestry, they've been there for more than 50 years. They know already how to take care of your tree. Plus, kung sakaling mong mamatay yun, guaranteed may ipapalit.
Okay, tanong. Pwede ko bang madalaw ang aking puno?
Yes, you can come with me, actually, in Africa. So, maybe next time. Okay, you can actually go, darling, you can actually go on YouTube, nandun lahat yung mga videos or whatever, makikita niyo po yung mga trees niyo. Ayun po, mga trees na po yun, yung mga examples. And one day, I am going to put up yung isang area lang, sasabihin ko, these are all my trees in the Philippines. Dahil ako yung pumipili, ako yung nagbibigay sa kanila o sa inyo ng 1,225% interest within 20 years.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, okay. So that's for you, Alex. If you want to put more, let's say this is 5 trees only. How much more if this is 5 trees times 12? Times 20. Huh? How about that?
Ang ibig mo sabihin nakasulat ang pangalan ko sa puno?
Yes, darling. Garantisado. Dahil mismo,
ang ibig sabihin pag napunta ko doon, hanapin ko yun?
no, darling, nandoon lang, isang login ko lang doon sa website. Your name is right there, and you're gonna find out there, when are you going to get your interest, your profit? So all you have to do, give me your bank account number, and I'm going to give you your 15% interest on the 5th year. O kung gusto mo next year, and then I'm gonna start giving you your 3% on next year, after the 5th year, and then 15% from the 6th year up to the 9th year, and on the 20th year, I'm going to give you 1,000% balance interest, okay? And I can assure you that sa mga bangko, hindi nyo alam kung tataas, bababa, pero this is a fixed interest rate, so I can guarantee you, hindi ako pupunta po sa Africa o hindi po ako mag-i-invest sa mga trees ko doon if I cannot actually give you my promises right now. Kahit dalhin niyo po ako sa kulungan. Yeah, so go for it at www.effortlessinvestment.com. Yan po. So if you want to know more information, yun po lahat. Nandun po lahat ng mga trees na bibili nyo. Africa series. Darling, Africa, ito yan, di ba? Bakit Africa? Because Africa is where the desert are. Ang aim ko ay gawing Greenland ang desert land, di ba? So Africa is the main. Meron po kami, how many hectares right there, Jenny?
60,000 hectares.
60,000 hectares.
Maybe can come up on stage, sir, so that you can
Exactly. How many times in Manila?
Don't make a rush here, please.
Okay, twice of Manila.
Size of Manila, we have approximately 3
Yes. Excess. And yeah, he is the project. Yeah, he is the project director here for the call center. Okay, so you guys, if you want to earn also, I'm gonna give you 10% commission for the sale. Hindi lang po 3% katulad sa investment sa mga properties or whatever. I'm going to give you 10% upfront. Ako na mismo magbabayad sa iyo. 10% upfront. Hindi na po kayo mag-aantay ng 20 years before you can even get that. Okay? Alright, thank you very much. It's your turn, darling. Mamaya na ako.
By the way, I know you want to have a show na gamit ang banda. You can have it here, libre ang lugar. Yes, yeah.
May banda tonight.
And you know what? I think Dekada, who is the owner and who is the manager? Okay, di mo naman siya pinapakilala sa akin. Ma'am, I would like to know her. Please, can you please come up here so at least I could meet her for the first time? And for you guys right here, sino yung graphy no, this game niya? Bigyan mo ng calling card. If you want my calling card, nandun po. And at the same time, meron din po akong album. I can sell you some albums.
Yan po si Miss Maluru siya, nanalo ng Pilipinas. Anong third placer? At naging model ni Henry Oto.
Sexy.
At siya ngayon ay kamukha ni Rosana Roses. Ayan.
Ay, ang galing. Palapakan niyo naman siya, mga kaibigan. Thank you for giving us a chance, okay, to perform here. Now that I know that I can actually use it anytime, anytime, that's good. Very good. Yes, sir. Anytime I want, for free. Okay, Alex, we're gonna have our birthdays here every night if you can. Why not? We can have a show here every night. Why not? Oh my God, this is the best place right now. I know some people from Metro Bar right there. Oh, come on. What's the name again, sir? What's the name? Huh?
Paul Chuang.
Paul Chuang. Okay. They're actually asking if I can join them later at Metro Bar also, di ba? Ayun. So anyway, you guys also, if you need somebody to sing for you guys, nandito lang po ako. But of course, most especially, thank you so much for having me here tonight. Thank you.
I hope we're gonna, by September,
Oh yeah. Why
the
not?
venue is for free for you.
Oh wow. All right. Perfect. I can always use this place anytime. And thank you so much.
Lahat ng posters, lahat ng billboards, or whatever.
Oh, yun yung ano ko, Mystica ultimate secret to success. Ayun.
At meron pang lugar sa itaas.
Anong kasi, special room. So, it's also one like this also? Okay, great. Siguro may disco pa, no? Yes, oh, great.
Mga kaibigan, dahil birthday ko, gusto ba niyo makita si Mystica na sumayaw gamit ang bowl?
Of course.
Diba?
Yes, of
You used to do that before?
Of course, di ba?
Contest kayo ni Ching. Ikaw dito, doon si Ching.
And by the way, I'd like to introduce to you also Nina, as a matter of fact, is my newly employed, sales executive. She just sold more than 500 trees in how many days? About 25 days. Almost 2 weeks. Alam mo, ang goal niya, I wanted to be a billionaire one day. She's aiming for the high.
Thank Alex.
Highest. Wow. So I didn't have any choice but to actually employ her right away through Johnny, of course. So she's got the job. Dati lang PA ko lang po siya. But when she was able to sell more than 500 trees in 2 weeks right away, now she's very rich, aiming for the billions of trees. So you can always be like her also if you would like. Okay, just come to me and be a part of my sales team. Okay.
Okay? It's showtime, and now, ladies and gentlemen, let's have Miss Lina Sibilia. Ay, may nag-request ata ng My Way. Kaya mo? Ay, mamaya ng My Way.
Kayo, sige, pianist ka naman pala nila.
Ay, Lali, ladies and gentlemen,